Good day to all. Welcome to another episode of SG Dr. Wellness. It's Coach Alvin here. Today, we will be talking about our favorite zi cha staple, and that is fried rice. Be it your Yangzhou fried rice, your nasi goreng, your salted fish fried rice, and the list goes on. This is a dish that we all love, but may not be so great for our health. Before we begin, keep our channel piping hot by hitting the subscribe and notification buttons now. Did you know that a plate of seafood or meat-based fried rice with a side of egg can have as much as 907 calories? That's almost half of your daily recommended calorie intake. But don't worry, we are here to show you how to make a healthier version of this delicious dish that will make even Uncle Roger proud. Let's start with the unhealthy aspects of fried rice and what we can do to change them. Firstly, fried rice is often too salty. One plate can have as much as 1,245 milligrams of sodium, making it one of the saltiest hawker dishes out there. But don't worry, we have got some great alternatives to salt that can be used as flavorings, including black pepper, onion garlic powder, and rosemary. It's important to note that healthier salts such as sea salt or Himalayan pink salt still contain the same amount of sodium levels as normal salt, so moderation is still very much required. Another issue with fried rice is of its high fat content. Most versions of this dish use vegetable oils that are high in unhealthy fats, which can be harmful to our health in the long run. So consider using healthier oils such as olive oil for frying to increase the healthy fat content of the dish. Also opt for hard-boiled eggs rather than sunny side up to reduce the overall oiliness of the dish. Lastly, fried rice is also low in fiber content. But by replacing white rice with a mix of brown rice or rice alternatives such as quinoa, rice cauliflower, or whole wheat couscous, you can increase the fiber content of the dish. Don't forget to add a generous amount of vegetables such as carrot, peas, and corn bits to boost the fiber content even further. However, if you are on the go and crave for hawker fried rice, then portion control is key. Moderate on the fried rice consumption and top it off with a lightly stir-fried vegetable-based side dish. Keep yourself hydrated with plain water or sugar-free drinks and avoid drinking any soup to reduce the overall sodium intake. In conclusion, fried rice can be a delicious and healthy dish if made at home with the right ingredients and cooking methods. By using healthier oils, reducing the amount of salt and fat, and increasing the fiber content, you can make a plate of fried rice that is not only tasty, but also good for your health. So go on and make the dish at home, and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Alright, we have come to the end of the episode, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and stay healthy.